Hello everyone, I am Deepak Datta, currently pursuing postgraduate in power plant engineering. Our today's topic is lines and angles. Before dive into the concept of lines and angle, we should learn different terminologies. What are those terminologies? What is line segment, what is rays, different types of line, what is angle, how the angle is formed, how angle is measured, what are different types of angle. So let's start with lines, line segment and ray. Can you identify which one is line and line segment in between these two figures? It's confusing, isn't it? So I'm telling you, a line segment has two endpoints. It's a portion of line, and this arrow sign, whatever I'm showing you, the arrow is showing that this is going up to infinite way in this direction, and also this one is going up to infinite way in this direction. So this one is line, and you can see this is portion of line having two endpoints. So this one is line segment and this is line. How? If this line segment is to extend in both the direction, that is in this direction and also in this direction, in such a way that it moves in infinite, it moves to infinity. As a result, we will find this type of figure. And so this is line, this is portion of line, what we call line segment. And one more thing I just want to tell you, that is ray. Ray is also a portion of line. Just see this thing. If I hide this, this is end point, this is going up to infinity. In the same way, this is end point, it is going up to infinity. So we can say ray is also a portion of line. Now we will discuss about angles. When two or more lines or line segment or ray intersecting at a point, they form angle. For example, this is a line and this is also a line. They are intersecting at a point. The point where they are intersecting is said to be vertex of an angle. What do we tell them? The point where they are intersecting is said to be vertex of angle, and this is arm of an angle. The lines, these are arm of an angle. How the angles are formed? You can see this one is an angle, this one is an angle, this one is an angle, and also this one is an angle. You can measure angle in any direction, that may be either in anti-clockwise or in clockwise. It depends up to you and the reference plane. So now I am telling you how to measure the angle and what are the different types of angle. Just focus on this thing, isn't it? Just focus on this thing, just focus on this thing. This is a part or portion of line. This is also a portion of line. We can measure angle in clockwise direction. That is, remember, this is moving in clockwise direction, this is moving in clockwise, clockwise, and we can also measure it in anti-clockwise direction. This is, remember, this one is can moving it anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, means in this direction anti-clockwise, and in this direction it is moving in clockwise. So now types of angles are acute angle. Acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. This, if this one is our 90 degree, if this one is our 90 degree, then less than 90 degree will be like this, then this will be our acute angle, and this is 90 degree, it will be our right angle. Angle beyond 90 degree is said to be obtuse angle. This is angle beyond 90 degree. This is what we call obtuse angle. Now I will define about parallel line and non-parallel line. Parallel line is a line, you can see this one, this is a line and this is a line. We can tell these two lines as parallel when the common perpendicular to them, the distance between common perpendicular to them is fixed. You can see this is also common perpendicular to this line and also common perpendicular to this line. Then distance between these two are same. The distance between cones same. That's why it's parallel line. Now in case of non-parallel line, this is perpendicular to this line, but it's not perpendicular to this line. We can see that the distance between these two are also not in same. That's why we can say this is a parallel line and this is non-parallel line.